There are so many ta'liqat where he does not mention the narration chain. He say waqala Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So we take it as he has mentioned the narration chain, and that is authentic. Same is the case of this saying of Shah Abdul Aziz Sahib rahmatullahi alayhi, even though he has not mentioned the narration chain there, but he referred that to Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala an. And Ibn Abbas did not refer it to Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, but something which you cannot know through applying your own intellect and your own aql. And a Sahabi said so for sure that is hadith marfu, that is actually he heard it from Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, even though he did not refer expressly to him. So regarding this ayah, Ibn Abbas says radiyallahu ta'ala an, that everybody has a Satan with him. In a hadith narrated by Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam says, "Inna shaytana yajri min al-insani majra dam." Satan is flowing with the flow of your blood inside your vein or